Hi there, this is Fixed It. This is an unboxing of a Sphero bolt, and you may be wondering why, if I've got a broken Sphero bolt, I have a new one. The reason's quite simple. If you're actually going to do some repairs on things like Sphero bolts, you need to have one that works in order to do the test and to ensure that you've got the right charger and things. So this one arrived yesterday from Sphero. It came from the States, even though I bought it from eBay in the UK from an eBay buyer. It came direct from Sphero. So let me just, as you can see, it's a very, very pretty box, incredibly strong and sealed up. So on the outside there's this panel. Let me just cut that away, which is good because it means it hasn't been opened. So let's just cut through that, nice and clean. And I should imagine there'll be one on the bottom, and in fact there is. So let's slide the jacket off and have a look what's inside. So question is that. Okay, here's the main side for opening, and in fact it's got tape on it as well, which is even better. It's great when you get one with tape on it because it means it is actually a real one and a new one. Opening up the Sphero, you get this lovely coloured card. In fact, it's a container that has lots of documents inside for Sphero, including some nice stickers. That looks like the Sphero charger. Just try it in that. Yep, that's the right size. And in fact, it's important. A lot of the Spheros are different, but they need their own charger. Don't try using a charger from another Sphero on a different one unless it's mentioned on the bottom. This one just says bolt. And then there's this absolutely brand new perfect Sphero. And as you can see, it looks identical to the one that's broken currently and I've got open. And then there's the charging cable. I'm just wondering if there's anything else underneath here. Let me have a look. Nope, that's it. And it's quite interesting because I think some of the other Spheros actually came with some tape as well for marking out, but this one doesn't. So let's have a look what's in the packet. There's a legal guide. Funny that just fell out straight away. There's a heading and direction card so that you can work out, and on the other side of that a clock. Does it open? No, it doesn't. Okay. And then there's some stickers. The thing about this Sphero is it's actually one that can be programmed. So it's one of the STEM related tools. And I'll actually be doing a separate program on this. I'll now charge it up, and then in part 2 of this Sphero bolt unboxing, I'll actually take you through the software and some of the games and things that are available for it. I hope you liked the video. Please check out my other videos and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.